everyone, this is Hassan from HDFX, and let's talk about Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Now, today actually I want to use a multiple technical analysis approach instead of just talking about Elliott waves, okay? But of course I will start with Elliott waves and then I will talk about the other stuff that I would like to show it to you, and sometimes I would use it myself too, okay? I could have done with the monthly chart as well, but today I wanted to do a weekly chart, okay? Now, because actually I will use this RSI indicator today, and for this kind of indicators, this weekly chart is somehow a little bit better, okay? So the idea comes from the fact that, look, if you look at it here, somewhere around here, this is the end. Look at this turning point of this chart. Now, from the lower point of this place is the turning point of the chart, as you can see, okay? Just like here. So when I say the turning point of the chart, it means the end of the one larger wave. This is probably the end of smaller wave, okay? This may be another one. Look at this. This is another one. And my argument will start with the fact that it probably is a triangle here, and this is the turn of this move, okay? So that's my argument. Now, if I want, I could have drawn this trend lines, blah, 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 but I don't want to do it right now, okay? So what I'm saying, what I'm suggesting is there's a triangle here, namely something like this. And the degree of it, I have no idea, but we can still use it, I think. So we have AB, the C wave here, okay, D wave, and the E wave. Oh, so far so good. So if I want to construct a triangle, what I should do is draw B to D trend line, okay. If I can do it like this, it will be even better, okay. And I will use C and E for it because A and E, can I do it? Well, actually, yes. If I want, I can do it like this too. So it depends, but this one, it doesn't change the overall picture. But to me, this one looks a little bit better. So if this is the case, okay, it means that something here on the bigger degree has ended. Okay, now that's cool. And I will go like this. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Well, it means that whatever here, I am actually looking for a degree that will go on like this. Okay, that's my main goal. So for that main goal, I should do something. Okay, so can I put my wave A here? Okay. Now, if I put the wave A here, what changed? What does it mean? Well, it means if I look at this retracement levels that we have so far, okay, have horizontal right here, and if I put the wave A here, look at this retracement level that what we have so far. So far we are we came 0.382 here again, and got rejected. Okay. For me, the key level is 618. Okay, and as you can see, we don't come. We are nowhere near the 618 so far. So that means that if I have a wave A here, and whatever this move is a B wave so far, and we didn't see any retracement yet, then I can say, okay, maybe I am in a zigzag. If I'm in a zigzag and I have a wave A, it means that on a lower degree, I should find an impulsive move. Okay, so for this, what I would like to do is try to find one. Let's create one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, what you guys should do first, of course, as always, try to find if you have an extension or no. Now look, I will show you how to do that. This is the length of first wave. So this is the length of the first wave. Let's take the length of the fifth wave. Okay, this is the length of the fifth wave. Now, let's actually take the 161.8 out of fifth wave and put it to the second wave. As you can see, our third wave is larger. It means that we have an extension. Okay, but also what you should do, look at this. Look at this. Wave one. And if I take 161.8 out of it, as you can see, it is very close to the fifth wave as well. Okay. Now, of course, it's not. It doesn't have to be the perfect, but it has to be close to this too as well. It can either be 161.8 or 618 out of this move as well. So this is why I like it. Also, let's draw 2 to 4 trend line. Now, when you do draw 2 to 4 trend line, the time taken for the fifth wave, okay, and you project it on the right side, and it should be broken by this time, which we have this broken. So what I'm saying is this is a very valid and impulsive move. If we have a wave A here, then we can have a wave B somewhere, and we should see a wave C to the downside. Now, does this mean we can just short the pair? Nope, nope, nope. Because. And after that ABC, this is the end of this degree, by the way. Okay, of course, if this ABC is a simple correction. Now, what to do? Now, after this, what I would like to show you has nothing to do with Elliott waves anymore. Okay, now let's draw a trend line from here to here. Now look where we are. The market come many times here, 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 and don't forget this is a weekly chart. And now it looks like the weekly has actually come more. Okay, so it's actually now we are actually piercing it, and not just piercing it, but we already are on top of it, which is interesting. Also, another trend line that is important in this chart will be something like this. And look, on the weekly we are above it too. So this is a very interesting point. Also, we are a little bit far away from 382, which is the zone that actually the market rejected many times. Okay, this zone. So what I want to add, I want to add the RSI indicator to our point of view as well. Okay, so I will go to indicators. I want to write RSI, so relative strength index, and look at this. Now we are on the overbought situation. Okay, now you can say that it is an overbought situation. Our move, what we expect is to the downside. We are in the 382 zone. We are on this trend line. Okay, now this, look, when you add this up, all up, look at we are above six. We are now, as of now, we are 71. Of course, it can go up more. It's cool, but what you can do instead of shorting one time, you can make your position size smaller and add to all of this what you want. Okay, so that means that your trade overall will become better. How it will become better? Well, look, Now you're not just relying only on Elliott wave. Now you have some kind of a trend line that you wanna maybe this. I incorporated Fibonacci level. I incorporated trend lines. I incorporated RSI, and that maybe give you uh, better clue and better trust with your analysis. So maybe you will like it. Okay. Now, and I think that's. But look, don't just think, oh look, it was overbought here. The market sold. It was. It was not overbought before. Every single time it comes to this close to this level, it doesn't mean just because it's over, it will collapse immediately. Okay, that doesn't mean indicators don't work like this. Okay, so please don't be fooled by the fact that it is just. If it was just because I would not take a trade to short just because a pair is overbought or oversold. Okay, it has to make sense in when you put all of this stuff together. Okay. So I hope this makes sense, guys, and thank you so much, and see you on the next one.